Yeah, once again, very good morning and thanks for joining everyone. Okay, as you know, myself is Subbu. So I will take in care complete this training program for PostgreSQL DBA along with the MongoDB and AWS RDS service. So in this complete training program, so you are getting two different technologies, Postgres and MongoDB along with AWS RDS. So we successfully completed Postgres first batch. Okay, just letting know the people who starting the new journey in from AzureSQLChamp. So we successfully completed PostgreSQL. We plan to bring the MongoDB as well into this training program. Okay, so now we are starting the batch 2, but especially batch 2 for Postgres. MongoDB is our first program along with the ADS. So whatever we delivered the PostgreSQL last batch, we are enhancing a lot. Okay, in terms of cloud, in terms of performance, in terms of configurations, all this stuff, we are enhancing for the Postgres as well. Along with the addition, you are going to learn the MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB. So overall, this training will fit for 45 days to 60 days. So overall, we'll go for 60 days. Okay, 30 to 35 days or 40 days will spend on the Postgres, and 20 to 25 days or 30 days will spend on the MongoDB. So we will distribute the equally. We'll spend some time equally for Postgres, equally for the MongoDBs as well. So first we'll focus on the Postgres, then we'll go for the MongoDB as part of this training program. And also you will get the AWS service. Okay, it can be AWS EC2 instance, it can be AWS RDS. So we will build the AWS EC2 instance, Linux instance, and we will build the Postgres over the AWS EC2. Along with we will build the AWS RDS as well. Okay, going forward, we'll also include Azure, Postgres, Azure, MongoDB as well. Okay, so that you are good at using both platforms, cloud platforms. So these are the two leading cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, right? So you will get to know how to deploy Postgres or MongoDB in AWS, or you how to deploy Postgres and MongoDB in Azure platform as well. So that is our final agenda. And coming to before I go into the course content, okay. So myself and Sai both are coordinator for entire these training programs. You can reach out to us or you can reach out to Sai. If you're talking with the Sai, is also fine. It means you no need to think that, okay, I need to talk to separately Subbu or separate to Sai. We both are single. You can contact anyone. So either Sai, either Subbu, nothing difference. Okay, we will stick with the one answer only. Before I move directly into the course content, what we are delivering today is nothing much technical. Okay, because we wanted to get a good bonding for next 2 months, right? So that's a one thing. Let's make some good interaction today. So please introduce yourself. Just a short and sweet. I don't want detailed information. A short name, short experience, what you are doing. So means whether you are working on Oracle or you are working on SQL. Okay, short discussion so that we will get to know, okay, how many people are experienced in different technologies. So you are enhancing, you wanted to enhance your skill, or you in your project itself, you are getting in your project itself, you are getting a chance to support for Postgres or MongoDB, and that is the reason you are looking. Okay, so to get that information, we need a short and sweet discussion. Okay, first before I give to let's give to Sai. Okay, because you know everyone Sai. But when you see the Zoom, you will see both names at Subbu only, because we are using commonly one Zoom account. That's the reason. So, but actually, Sai is also joined. Okay, over to Sai.
Yeah, thank you, Subbu.
Good morning. Hi, morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Hey, Sanabil. After a long time.
Yes. Actually, today is holiday. That is why I am able to join.
Oh, okay. You are not in train.
The only student every time joining from the train. Classics.
Now over to
Okay.
Sai.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Subbu. Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So thanks for joining the session. Yeah, almost with everyone I had a discussion. All the people. Okay. So I know so that so your background and we discussed we had detailed discussion right over the calls. So the same thing we wanted to know here as well, like so your name and experience and what is you are looking for, and if you wanted to share something, so that will be good. Okay. So over to each and everyone can start.
I think,
Ranjit.
yeah, you no need any
I
introduction
know.
because you.
I know, and they also know about me. Avoid. So, Ranjit, you can start. Yeah,
Yeah, thanks, Sai, for your time.
yeah,
So, good morning, team. Myself, Ranjit Raman, and currently I have 9 years of experience in MS SQL and 4 years of experience in the Azure MS SQL DBA. And apart from that, I was in the T SQL development and then the C Sharp for the initial career. So, why I'm switching to this Postgres means because in my company itself, there are like the internal transfers, like there are so many internal projects has been coming for the Postgres. So actually, you guys knows like because the MS SQL and will be going on the enterprise one. So Postgres is the open source. So many like the startups are the AI sort of things, right? They are using the Postgres related DBs or the quadrant DB. So that's why I was dragged to here. So hopefully it will be good sessions and we will be learning more and more things in the Postgres as well as the MongoDB. Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Andy.
guys.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Definitely. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
yep. Next, so you can start, Pramod.
Yes, so I'll keep it sweet and short, like
Yeah.
Subbu said. So it's like I have total 10 years of experience. So that's totally in SQL Server database. That's
Great.
totally in SQL Server database. I'm audible, right?
Yes, Pramod. Yep.
Yes.
Thank,
Yeah. Sorry.
yep.
Uh,
Thanks.
so yeah, that's totally in SQL Server database, and just because right now, so my profile is like database administrator for a SQL Server. So right now, the demand in market we see like people need to be like multi-database. They need so that's the reason I'm looking for this Postgres and like MongoDB to add to my profile.
Yep, that's correct, Pramod. So nowadays the market is expecting multi-DB
Yeah,
skills from
right now
everyone.
like
Yeah,
can't stick to one database,
yeah,
something like that. So
yeah. As our experience is growing, that is not a best practice with
yeah,
sticking with the
obviously
one.
like
Yep.
being like technologies which are going to introduce in your like Raman said, like
Mm,
in the our organization also they are like new applications are coming in, so they are going for Postgres or MongoDB kind of thing. So
mm, mm, yep.
yeah, that's
Eh, Yep. Thanks, Pramod.
thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank- And Srikanth.
Yeah. Hi, Sai. Hello, everyone. This is Srikanth here.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good morning, everyone. I've been working as a SQL DB administrator since 2011. SQL and Oracle database administrator, and I have taken a leadership role as well. I've been handling a team of 20 members and manager of DBA services at one of the consulting company. And why am I looking for this Postgre and MongoDB learnings is like, and I wanted to upgrade myself, upskill myself in terms of the technologies. And since I'm handling a large team here, I wanted to be a person where whom I can see myself as a lead, and whenever there is a need from the team who can guide on the technology front, I will be there to handle those requests and the directions. and vision and strategies as well for the team. So that's one of the reason. And also the second reason is like, as everybody said, like, there's no term like now the traditional DBA in the market now. So everybody's looking out for the either a database engineer or the person who has a multiple database knowledges. So who can actually suggest, recommend the databases based on the business case. So that's something currently is going on. I'm looking at the trends. A lot of technologies coming. Even AI, ML also playing a key role in database space. So this is not just a big one thing I would actually looking. I'm also looking at other technologies as well. Once this is finished, I probably go and enhance my skills on the other technologies as well. Yeah, that's about me.
Yep, thanks, Srikanth. Yeah,
Great.
yes, obviously, when we are going to be part of the lead role, definitely multi-DB technical teams will be under our, and we need to maintain. Yeah, that's true. Yep, yeah.
I agree. I just agree, Srikanth. Like, see, our experience is growing. Our experience is growing, okay? And maybe when we are switching, especially, we can't expect the same role if you go for the new organization. Definitely, the role will be changed. Your responsibility will be changed, okay? So, as you write, AI is also leading now currently. So, AI is also entering into the database as well. So we need to be little proactive in terms of technical, especially. Okay, literally, you will get chance or you may get chance, but when you are seeing the profile, when you place your profile over the LinkedIn or Now Career or found it. Okay, so they will see what is your profile. So and they will compare with others. Okay, and they will differ. Okay, so same level of experience they are looking, but your profile is a little stronger in other technologies as well, and those technologies are also part of the project. But if they could select you, you can help on other technologies, not only your main core technical knowledge.
Yeah, the criteria is completely changed now. I completely agreed. Yeah, so one thing is like, how fast you are adapting to the new changes in the market is very important now. If you are not adopting to change yourself with these different technology learnings, probably your career may decay or obsolete yourself in the market.
Right. So that is one of the major reason why we came up with Postgres, and we came up with the MongoDB. So that is one of the major reason, and we are trying to bring the AWS into the market as well. Okay. So going forward, we are also planning to bring as you told, like Azure data engineering as well. But it may take some time. But let's stick with the Postgres and MongoDB with RDS. Okay, AWS RDS. Not only I am sticking with this one, so we may come up, maybe Sai myself is interacting a lot, because we need to get the documents, slides, along with the demos properly. See, teaching is very easy. If you go and ask the ChatGPT, it will display. I can tell something, but that doesn't help, right? So you need to practically experience the configurations or troubleshooting or what kind of challenges. So that is what we are expecting while we are training more on SQL. Now we are also planning same thing for Postgres and MongoDB as well. So same level of we wanted to bring, and we are keeping everything in a single bucket. Okay, the people who wants to enhance AzureSQLChamp is the one platform. If you wanted to enhance the SQL, AzureSQLChamp is one of the biggest platform. So going forward, we are also trying to bring like Azure data engineer, and also we are trying to bring the Azure data analytics. Okay, so yeah, definitely stay tuned with the AzureSQLChamp, Srikanth. Okay, definitely, we will bring a lot.
Awesome. Thank you, Subbu. Thanks. Nice meeting you all. Yeah.
Yes. You can individually volunteer. Okay. You can introduce yourself. We don't want to reveal the names. Yeah, one by one.
Yeah. Hi, Subbu and Sai. Myself, Channa. I'm audible?
Yes,
Yes, Chana, we
yes.
are able to hear.
Yeah. I'm having around 10 years of IT experience, and I have worked on multiple technologies like MySQL and Couchbase, and little bit exposure of MongoDB as well. And right now, in my current project, there is a requirement to support Postgres, Azure PostgreSQL. Most probably, we are using all the inventory in Azure itself. That is the reason only I'm having interest to learn Postgres. I don't know anything about Postgres, and as well as now I'm involving that work, but I want to be more technical
Yeah, sure.
knowledge. That is the reason I'm looking for that. Yeah, and as well as
Definitely.
Azure too. There is multiple projects are in pipeline, like Oracle to Postgres migration and AWS to Azure, like that. Um,
Okay.
that also I'm expecting, and as
Yeah.
well as I joined bit late, but I'm not sure what the intro has happened initially. I
No,
joined
no,
around
it's
10:30.
a casual discussion, Jenna, like
Okay,
general talk,
okay, okay.
because we need to carry forward for 2 months little closely. Okay, if you can understand me, if I can understand you, so
Yeah,
what is your
yeah.
experience? What you are expecting? Maybe I can spend some more
Okay.
time to get some more details so that easily you can remember. Because see, my every DBS we are having our own more core technology
Yes,
like
yes. Yeah.
Oracle or SQL or MySQL or now we are learning something. So I will always correlated with the SQL, correlated with Oracle, correlated so that you can easily remember. Okay, in SQL we will do this one. In Postgres we are doing something different. Only the components will be different. Underlying concept is same because data is
Okay.
the data. See, data you are maintaining. We are maintaining data. It can be Postgres or MongoDB or MySQL or Oracle or SQL. You are maintaining data. So
Okay.
finally, we need to protect the data. We need to secure the data. We need to take the backups. We need to protect the data. We need to make services to run for 24/7.
Yeah.
Okay, that is how we'll
Yeah.
try to compare all this. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you so much. And I'm expecting that one practical section. I mean, not for the slides wise, like
No, no.
explanation and as well as practical sections. So that is what we are expecting, and as well
uh,
as I
yes.
I I used to. I mean, I used to train internally my team members like MySQL, for example. If you consider MySQL, how installation will happen, and as well as after installation, what are the physical files we create, and what are those, what it will contain. Like that, I used to explain. That is like that. I'm also expecting, for example, in data directory under the data directory, and as well as software installation path will be there, right? Each and everything, how it is useful and where we are going to use it, like that. I used to explain. That is like that only. I'm also experting in Postgres.
Yes.
Sorry
Same,
if
sir.
I'm wrong.
No. Same. Exactly same.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
every concept 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes will go for theoretical part. Only in the theoretical part will present the slides. Okay, in the practical part we'll spend more time because installing best practices, performing the backups, restores, securities, corruptions. See, everything we can't present everything in the form of slides. More on practical, but uh, ultimately you need to understand the theoretical part. Only
Yeah.
theoretical part will present the slides. None of the practicals will be present in the slides. Everything will go for live demos.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Yeah,
Sai
thank
and Subbu.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks, Chana.
Couple of
Next
people
one you
I
can
already
go
know.
ahead.
Annabelle we know, Bhushan we know. Okay, I think Ganesh also we know.
Yeah.
Raviteja
Pravesh,
is we know. Yeah.
Somnath, and any other wanted to. Mohammed, you wanted to
Mohammed.
introduce.
Okay.
Yeah, hi.
Hey,
This is
hi.
Mohammed.
Yeah, hi.
Just I have only 1 year experience in Oracle side. So I want to learn a Postgres DBA. Right now in the market, Oracle also we don't have calls. So that's what I'm switching to Postgres DBA. So
So right now the market is fluctuating, Mohammed.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Be
yeah,
little patiency. The market will
yeah.
again back to the traditional. Okay.
Okay, okay, thank
Entire global is having issue with the one leader. Okay. So that's a change in the market. Okay, but little patience, everything will be stable as quickly as.
Okay. Thank
Yeah. Hey, hi, Raju.
Hi, good morning to everyone. This is Nagaraju. Currently,
Hi.
I'm working at Gemini. I have total 7 years of experience in MS SQL DB.
Okay. Good to know, everyone. Okay. Is there anyone?
Syed wanted to introduce yourself.
Hi, Sai and Subbu. Hope you're everyone doing good. This is
Yes.
Syed here. I've been in SQL Server for around 10 years now, working as a DBA. I want to enhance my knowledge and skills in new platform and database technologies like Postgres and other database Mongo or MySQL stuff. And as per the industry and market, I just want to learn new skills and technology. And that's it.
Thanks.
Yes, thanks. And almost the new people are introduced. Anyone left? So
Okay.
if anyone wanted to give our old people, we can give it. Like Bhushan, anything wanted to speak something? You wanted to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, this is Raghu
Hello,
here.
Sai.
Hi, Raghu.
Sorry, Raghuveer, yeah, please go ahead.
Hi, this is Raghu here. I just came to know about this training session. So I'm a SQL Server DBA working for more than 10 years. So I just want to explore my knowledge in the post GRE. I just want to have this knowledge for a long time. So based on my timing schedules and everything, it was not possible. So I just want to check with you guys, like in case, like it's okay, it's a duration for 2 months. Like after 1 month, if I get a break in my work and if I may not be attending the classes, how it's going to work? Is it going to be carry forwarded? That was my first question. And apart from that, uh, yeah, you're telling about the Azure. So do we get knowledge in this batch regarding the Azure stuff also? So just want to check that. Thanks.
Yes, because AWS and Azure almost are similar, right? So we'll try to deploy Azure Postgres as well. Yeah.
So you're going to train us for suppose if we're going to work completely in the post GRE and leave the database Microsoft. Okay, so in future, so are your trainings and stuffs and assistance will be providing in that way, like you're going to crack the interview in the post GRE and MongoDB and other stuff. So the
Everything
train
this
because
is
why? Because
yes.
I had some not that much nice experience in one of the training institute. So I just want to know how it's going to get completed. If some of the students are not going, it's going to get delayed or whatever the breaks, how it's going to work. So I just want to know that.
Very simple example to trust us. Okay. My bad. Okay. I lost my dad one week back. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I just break for 1 week. Okay. And I just started my journey back because I need to take it. Okay. It suddenly happened. So within 1 day, I can't
Yeah, I
hold
can
my dad.
understand.
Okay.
Sorry for the loss. Yeah.
So yeah. So and 1 week only we had a break. Okay. Then again we started our sessions. Okay. How our training program will be. See, we want try to deliver the actual content. So we don't want deliver the means we don't want deliver the only some stuff and tell that okay. See what you need to understand. No trainer will deliver whole stuff. That is highly impossible,
Correct. Yeah.
and it's very difficult to train in span of 2 months, two
Agree.
different technologies. So
Agree.
what we will do, right? As a DPA, you are going into the market. Okay, what is the stuff? If you know, you can fulfill your interview, you can fulfill your job. Okay, what sort of questions you are getting, how you need to convey while you are delivering to the interviewer, and what sort of work you will get it, how you need to do that work in a smarter, not a like L1 DBS. Okay, in the smarter.
Got it.
That is how our training is designed completely. Okay, and it is. I'm not saying that okay, your batch will go for 2 months and there is no relationship between after that you and with me. No, it's once you come to Azure SQLChamp, it's a never-ending batches. Means if I'm learning something new after your batch, I will include you people as because you will all people will go to the community. Okay, if I'm learning something new, if Sai is learning something new, you will get. So we will include your batch also. Hey, you are learning something new which I not deliver in your previous batch. So that is up to your interest, sir, whether you are joining or not joining. Okay, so we won't disturb unnecessarily in the community. Only when we are delivering something new which we haven't delivered in the current span of your batch. Okay, that you can join always. Okay, like that's a one thing we can promisely saying that your batch is like officially it will complete for 6 months, but unofficially it is lifelong. If Azure SQL Champ is learning something, you people also will learn something. So you are the part of Azure SQL Champ community.
Yeah, I got your point. I appreciate your success track and delivering in such a way. And one more question, like I'm an L3, okay, so moving ahead, I want to go with the multi-database because in my company, I've already started working with Oracle. So I've been so many years in Microsoft and Oracle. Okay, I learned it. I'm just working on a entry-level basis. So from going forward, I'll be need to present myself as the PostgreSQL coming with my total experience. So I need your support in all the way. Like I'll be cracking the interview, and as you said, so hope the best you come from it. And that's it. Thank you.
Oh yes, like we will try and see how the training program will start specially for us means. So first we'll go for base level only. As a DBS, my training experience is almost 10 years, and my real world experience is also 10 years. Overall, my training and my experience is 10 years. I was completely in the like a SQL, but I supported AWS, Azure DevOps, Azure Data Engineering, Analytics. So I got chance to work with the many technologies, but my training is completely on SQL, and we started the Postgres in 2025. Okay, so when I just started my journey in the Postgres, I told clearly to all the students that see, I wanted to make you strong like SQL. How you are becoming strong when you take the session SQL with us, how you are becoming strong. Same way you need to become strong in the MongoDB. Same way you are becoming strong in the Postgres as well. So that is the reason we are saying that your batches are never ending batches. See, everything I can't deliver right away. So for example, today I got one issue that is completely new for me in the Postgres or MongoDB that I haven't discussed in this batch. Okay, your batch is completed. Next batch, what I will do, I will include that thing and I will post you as well. So within span of 2 to 3 months, you will become strong in entire Postgres, entire MongoDB. We'll start with the L1. We'll slowly will make you to L2 and L3. So as a core, how to install Postgres, how to install Mongo, how to configure. This is the L1 task. How to grant the permission, how to take the backups. But as a L2, L3, performance tuning is very important. Replications are very important. Means
Yeah.
streaming replications are very important. Configurations are very important. Best practices are very important. So everything will cover. So until the program completes, okay, you can't say that we not yet discuss something. So we will tell what we will discuss, how much depth we'll go, everything once we start the journey to
Okay.
make you
I spoke with
comfortable. Yeah.
I spoke with Sai yesterday. He has just given me some information. So the training will be shared by both of you, or You will be
No,
taking the charge.
no, I will be taking care completely.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah, will be
Yeah,
taking.
thanks.
Going forward, mostly we are planning. When you ask this question, so we are trying to bring the ADF into the picture, into the Azure SQL Jam. Okay, I'm good at ADF, Databricks as well. So I'm giving a little more time to Sai to hand over some content. Okay, because it's not like one man show. I can't deliver everything, right? Then
Got it.
I also need to work. Okay, I also need to work for 8 to 9 hours. Then I need to take care of my family again continuously. It's very tough for me. So I will hand over after 3 to 4 months to Sai. Then I will take care one more technology like analytics or data engineering. That's what. Okay, we do. Maybe I'm also planning for MySQL or some other. Let's see. I'm not completely sure that this technology only I will bring, but I will bring in the year of ending 2025 a new technology. Once I will hand out something to the site. Okay.
Yeah, all good. Clarity done. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But means whenever I was outside and I'm not able to open the bridge, I will open the bridge. I will help again, sir. If you're having any doubts in terms of technical, in terms of process, in terms of access, either Sai, Subbu, anytime. Okay. If you're
Okay,
talking with
thanks.
the Sai, you also talking with the Subbu only. Because every day 1 to 2 hours we'll have the discussion, myself and Sai. So definitely we'll share all these details, how many persons are reaching, why they are reaching, everything we'll talk. So either you talk to Subbu, either you talk to Sai, nothing difference.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. So what I wanted to say means this is completely 60 to 65 days training program where you are going to learn. I see if see course content is not a major agenda, sir. Okay, my intention is see nothing. I can keep everything in a single word here. Everything whatever we are displaying, all this stuff. But as a student psychology, first the people will ask what is the content. Okay, what is the content? So I can say that this is my content. Azure SQL Champ community is my content. Every batch so far, okay, so far we discuss almost for especially for SQL. This is our 45th batch. Okay, every SQL batch we are promising like we will complete in through 2 months, 2.5 months. Okay, see every batch, all these are live sessions. This is not pre-recording sessions. Like every batch we are taking almost 100 120 plus sessions, live sessions. Like same myself and Sai is also trying to bring the Postgres and MongoDB, those many sessions only. Okay, going forward you will get almost, we are saying that 60 to 70 75 sessions we are planning, but that will definitely increase to 100. Okay, so we are also planning for 100 live sessions. It's not pre-recording sessions, everything will be live sessions only. Okay, so 100 live sessions we are planning for Postgres and MongoDB. Then how you will plan for 2 months, Subbu? For SQL also you will get one doubt. See, we will convince the people. Okay, today also I convinced my 45th batch. Okay, if you give me, see, we are asking time, sir. We are not asking nothing. We are asking your time. If you give more time, I can deliver more content. Okay, see, obviously you wanted to learn something, so you watch multiple YouTube channels, that one, this one, somehow you find our channel by reference or by YouTube, and you believe me. Okay, you believe us and you reach out us. We need to stay back that belief. So what we will ask going forward after 1 week, we'll go 1 week little slow only. After 1 week only, we'll start asking, give little more time. So for example, what do you mean by time, Subbu? For example, we are spending for 1 hour. We'll ask 15 minutes more, not for every day, whenever we need it. So that content is so important. I need to deliver in a different methods. It may take it to digest you. Okay, so sometimes I may spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour, or in a week. In some time, I thought that okay, sessions are. I need to take one additional session where I can't disturb in the regular live sessions. That I will take over the weekend one day. Okay, can you come on Saturday? Can you come on Sunday for 1 hour, 1.5 hour? So like that, I will ask you, sir. Apart from nothing, will ask us. I won't ask us. Who won't ask? Only will ask your time. Okay, everyone. This is our day one, not day one. This is our just interaction. Interaction itself, you are saying, we will ask just your time, sir. We won't ask anything. Yep.
Yes,
So just
yes.
sorry, like
Yes.
yeah, you said like sometimes you'll be extending like 1.5 hours, or sometimes it's like or to digest some contents, and it will be taken with it. So all the schedule will be on the same on from 10:15 it will be starting, or
No,
and
sir.
based on your
This is
time it
the
will be changed.
this is the regular time frame. So 10:15 will start the pitch, and we'll wait for 10 minutes, and we'll start. Okay. So 10 minutes will be grace time. This is the fixed time. But non-fixed time, I will ask you the time frame, sir. I will focus only the people who are
As in,
experienced people, because you also need to be available, right? We should not miss any students. Okay.
yeah, and
And
one more thing, because I can't, because right, the DBA people are on
yes,
24/7. Sometimes like a P1 or P2 means
I
I
know.
need to be jumping in during the class hour itself. My bad luck, I'm getting some P1 or P2 issue means I need to jump on there. So during
Yes.
that time, I will be missing some of the contents, right? Like in 1 hour class, I will be missing some sort of 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So as I spoken to sir, he will be providing the recorded session, but
Yeah.
in the recorded
Every batch
sections,
will be
yes,
pre-recorded.
yeah.
Yeah.
But
Every
in the
batch will
recorded
be
section,
pre-recorded.
sometimes I won't be
Oh, sorry.
okay. I
Sorry.
won't be
Continue.
much clear, right? Because it's not yeah. The recorded section means if live impact means I can get some of the queries will be getting solved. But once the session is done and I am having some doubts, means I can reach out to you, or I will need to reach on the next day. That means the upcoming session.
So
How it
next
will
day, sir, same. See, anytime open questions again. There is no restriction. If you watch all our public videos, also, I will tell to many batches. It's open questions. Okay, you need to clarify your doubt. Don't keep even it is a very silly, simple. No, you need to clarify your doubt. So that is what, right? We are sitting for 2 months, 2.5 months, correct? If you're not clarifying your
happen?
doubt, doesn't help us. See, for
No.
example,
I can
honestly,
understand that one. In the section, I can ask that also. That's what I asked.
yeah,
But that means I'm
that's what I
seeing the
told you,
recorded
right?
section. But
Assume I am telling, if you went for recording, you are having some question. Next day, immediately you can reach out to me, because obviously 10
okay.
minutes we are having grace time. After ending also, we are having. See, at the ending, we'll give more time. If you're having question, we'll sit and we will ask you. We will provide you to share your screen. What challenge you are facing, you can show us. We will fix live only, sir. It's not like I will call you. Oh, you need to say, hey, do this one, do that one. No, I will ask you, hey, connect to tomorrow over laptop. I will grant you to share your screen, and we will troubleshoot with lively, so that others also can learn, right?
Awesome.
Yeah. See, I don't want
Awesome.
hide and
Awesome.
seek.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay. See, we are a DBS. You are a DBS. We are also DBS. Will everyone knows everything? No. I am also saying I also learning. I'm still learning. Okay. Until Azure SQL Champ, we will learn. That's it.
Listen, thanks for
Yeah.
your and thanks for your response. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. So forget about course content, whatever we are delivering. But as I promising you, okay, what we are delivering, we'll start with the core concepts like both Postgres and MongoDB. What is MongoDB? What is Postgres? What is the difference between Postgres, MongoDB, and SQL? Okay, I won't talk much about Oracle and MySQL currently, but I will compare more on SQL, Postgres, and MongoDB. Then once it is done, okay, then how to download the product, how to install the product, both platforms, in the Windows platform, in the Linux platform. Then after I will strictly with the Linux platform only. Mostly everything I will show in the Linux platform, because in real world more Postgres and MongoDB will sit for Linux platform. SQL it will sit for Windows platforms. Okay, so more enter this training 90% will sit in the Linux platform only. Okay, you will become strong. The SQL people, I don't know the Linux Ubuntu, because we are completely on the Windows flavors. Now it's very difficult to digest all this stuff. So for them, okay, my focus is completely on the Linux only. Oracle people, you no need to worry, sir. You can guide us. Okay, the people who are Oracle or MySQL, in case if we are doing any mistake, obviously, see, sharing the knowledge is not at all wrong. Okay, if I'm doing any mistake, you can don't hesitate to highlight me. Hey, Subbu, we can also do this alternative, which is little faster, little better. I will take all the positives only. If you ask something, if I don't know, I will tell, hey, can you give me some time? Then next day I will bring that solution for you. Okay. So, but I won't probably tell the wrong answers, because this is your life, sir. When you are attending interview, if you tell one answer wrong, you may lose one opportunity. Okay, I know the pain. So maximum I will tell, I know this is the answer. I don't know. Can you give me some time? I will get back the solution. Okay, you can believe in this part from Azure SQLChamp. Either myself or the Sai. If we know strongly, we will recommend you. If not, we'll ask you the time frame and we'll let you know the solution. Okay, everyone. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will start with the introduction of Postgres and MongoDBs. Okay, and we'll start how to download the products, how to install the products, how to configure. Okay, basic configuration. Then slowly we'll go into head, how to create the databases, means what are the binary files, because we need to understand the underlying structure. Okay, where the data is coming, how the data is loading, how this Postgres engine is loading the data, how the MongoDB engine is loading the data, where it is loading, in which format it is loading. That is what we should understand. Simply, if I right click on database, create database name, oh, that's it, will create the Postgres DB. Doesn't help, sir. In the background, when you create any database, what is happening? When you are loading, what is happening? Where it is storing? Where I can see? Everything will talk, sir. And we will talk more on the practical only, not theoretical, in terms of Postgres, in terms of MongoDB. And as a DBA, we must and should know three components, majorly three basic components. What are the basic? One is backups, one is restores, one is security. This is the major. So once you install, once you understand the architecture, once you understand the internal architecture, external architecture, internal architecture, once you understand the data storage, okay, then we will move on security, backups, restores. So these are the major three components we'll focus. Traditionally, how you'll take the backups, traditionally, how you'll restore, traditionally, how you will grant the permission, everything, along with how you will automate is also very important. See, finally, at one day you need to automate. We are not working like a 24/7 where we need to keep on monitor the servers, right? You need to make automation. So how to automate the backups, and whenever we require the restores, how you'll restore, and in terms of security like SSL, TLS, traditional securities, what level of permissions we are granting, how you'll grant the permissions to the specific user, specific groups. We'll sit on these three parts. Okay, three are very important. And once these are done, okay, then we'll go for the high availability. Next is high availability. So we'll mainly focus on high availability, both in the Postgres, both in the MongoDB. So how many types of high availabilities, how to configure high availabilities, how to fail over, how to fail back. Being these are open source system, we are having a lot of complexities. So like not like a Oracle or MySQL or SQL Server automatic failover directly will work. But in terms of Postgres, okay, we need to use some third-party extensions, third-party tools to support the automatic failovers, how to fail over, fail back, everything will talk, sir. How to read the replicas, secondary replicas, whatever the things you are doing in the SQL, okay, we will try to do compare with the Postgres and MongoDB as well, so that you will become strong in the high availabilities. Once we complete the high availability, next one of our main focus will be the performance tuning. Correct? So every DBA need to tune their queries in terms of indexes, in terms of stats, in terms of locking, blocking, deadlocks. So how to monitor, where I can get the statistics logs, everything. So that is our next focus, performance tuning. As well as one more is isolation levels. This is also very important. Now partitions will come into the picture. So partitions is also very important. Performance tuning will cover, partitions will cover, how to monitor, how to configure, how to check, everything will configure. We'll see all the part. Once it is done, okay, the final is migrations. So you need to know about the migrations. Okay, means how to move the data from older version to newer versions, means upgrading, migrations. Okay, how to move the database. I want to do move specific database. I don't want to move entire instance. Okay, so how many methods will follow? What are the challenges will follow? What are the parameters we need to enable? So upgradations, migrations also very important. Okay, in terms of MongoDB, in terms of Postgres as well. So replications, upgradations, migrations, performance tuning, backups, restores, securities, configurations, settings. Okay, and finally we'll also go for the I forgot to include the AWS. Okay, so AWS, we'll also go to the AWS. We'll also go to the if time permits, sir, I will go for Azure. Okay, Azure. If not, I will cover next batch. Okay, next batch I will cover Azure. Okay, Azure, Postgres, Azure, MongoDB. You no need to pay any additional things. We will include you. We will include you, sir. That only for specifically Azure. Okay. Here, let's focus because we need to see how the time frames, how much time we needed, because we are trying to bring two technologies into one batch, right? So first I need to examine everything, all this stuff. Meanwhile, I need to share the documents, scripts, okay, which will help you in the real world when you are doing your day-to-day activities, all that stuff. And we will also include AWS EC2, AWS RDS, both for Postgres and MongoDB. And finally, we'll take all your questions, your feedbacks, and we'll calculate everything time so that it will help for my next batch as well. So anything if I'm missing, I will highlight you. Oh, this is missing stuff, sir. Okay, please stay back. Next batch will cover this one, and I will call you. You will be part of those sessions. Is it okay, everyone? This is honest training, sir. It's not like I can tell everything in this batch so that you can join immediately. Not like that. So we don't want to do that stuff. After middle, hey, no, I can't cover Azure here. I will cover in the next batch. Day one itself, I'm saying, let's main focus is this one. Okay. And I will cover Azure also. I'm promising you, I will cover. But let's see how time permits, because how I'm getting a questions when I'm training. Okay. So one day you people are so clear, you are not asking questions. We'll run the content very faster. One day you have a lot of questions. Okay. So the session will be prolonged, and that session went for 2 days. Let's see how we will examine everything, then we'll come up with the best solution. Okay. Yep. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Accepting.
Yeah, thanks.
Sir, are you covering Azure or AWS, sir?
As of now, our focus is AWS, sir, but I will cover Azure also. No worries, don't think, sir. I will cover Azure also. Okay. But
in Postgres side or MongoDB, both sides, sir?
Both, sir. But this is the first batch we are clumsing two technologies, right? We don't know how much time frame, how it will go. Let's see everything, sir. Okay. Yep.
The duration, sir. Duration. What is the
duration? We are
course?
planning for 60 to 65 days, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And Subbu, sorry.
No, yes.
Subbu, just
You carry on.
just have a question on the AWS side. When you are talking about the security, are you going to teach us on the IAM roles as well,
Oh
along with
yes,
the
yes,
role-based access.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what, sir.
Yeah.
As much I can train,
Okay. Yeah.
Srikanth. Okay. In case any pending, okay,
Yeah.
no worries. You will get it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Thanks. A little bit on the this networking also, because
Yes. See.
people should understand infrastructure network also. So there are multi-zones, right? How we can leverage that for the replication in different zones, etc. So that'll be beneficial. Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, earlier we used to go for in-depth about the networks also, but SQL itself drastically increased a lot. Even 90 days also not sufficient for me to train. Okay. So
Yeah. Agreed.
how much stuff I can search? See, I build the point inside. Okay. VMs, Linux VMs, along with the Google Cloud. So Azure to Google Cloud, how to bridge the networks and how jump servers are working, how we are doing work from home, how to deploy the VPNs, everything we are having. Okay, we build everything actually. Same how we are planning for AWS as well. Okay, but slowly, sir, please. If I told you, right, you need to accept something. That's what I told you. Officially, it will complete in 60 to 65 days. It's unofficially, it's a never-ending story, sir. Okay. Yep, everyone. I hope now you are understanding what is that never-ending means. Whatever we are promising, we need to deliver. So I can't deliver in everything in one shot. It's very tough for us. What is the main content which you are good? Everything we are delivering here and there, we will deliver in the meanwhile, so that you will also get that knowledge as well. So we are planning that. I'm having a call with the Sai as well. Every week, we used to get 2 non-live sessions, sir. Okay, that's what our plan. But you also need to focus for Sai. If I'm saying he's not listening, so every week we are planning for 2 sessions. Okay, apart from these live sessions, whatever it may be, it can be SQL, it can be Postgres, it can be MongoDB. Every week we are trying to plan to bring 2 sessions. Okay, it can be any. That will be public, sir. You can go and watch. Yes. Yes, Srikanth. Yeah, you were asking, Srikanth?
No. I'm not asking. I think hand lowered.
Okay,
but
I
still.
don't need. Yes. Yeah, Annabelle, you were asking.
Yeah. Actually, are you going to take both course on parallelly or one by one?
No, one by one, sir. It's very tough. You will get confused. I will also get confused. Okay. So first we'll complete the Postgres completely. Then we will get the MongoDB as well.
And one thing I would like to share with the new guys, if you allow me, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
So particularly, my name is Anabil Shah. I'm working as a DBA more than 5 years, and I do have experience with, around 14 years. So practically, I am with AzureSQLChamp since 2022, I believe. So almost 3 years, and I can assure you guys that you will get most detailed and hands-on experience here. And one thing that Subbu always said, that even when you are facing any trouble in your production, means live environments, if you don't get anyone, you will get Sai and Subbu anytime. That I can say 100%.
Yeah. Thanks,
Yes,
Annabelle.
sir.
So
Thanks,
what is delivering is, as I promise every batch. Okay. For example, you are all professionals. You got stuck some issue, and you are not getting help. Okay. You are not getting help, and you are getting very tense, and it is escalating over the midnight, not in day hours, in the midnight. I will tell you directly, either your batch is in running or your batch is completed. Okay. Don't hesitate. Subbu Sai is there. You should not get that much tense, sir. Okay, you can directly call us, and you can raise your voice. Okay, I am here to help you anytime. Either your batch got completed or your batch is running. That's what promising are everyone, because I don't want publish like, okay, this one, that one, nothing. Whatever I know, I can deliver. See, whatever I know, I'm delivering honestly. That is what Azure SQLChamp is doing since 10 years. Whatever we know, we will deliver. But what we are promising is, being until Azure SQLChamp, you don't get that much things, but don't disturb for smaller issues, all the stuff. But it's very complicating, and it is biggest escalation is going on by your name. You done something, okay? Don't hesitate to call anytime Subbu and Sai. We are here to help you anytime, sir. Okay.
So we are on the Postgres and the MongoDB. So if I'm getting, that means not an installation, but some POC I need to be done on the Azure SQL, and means right now I'm in the batch of Postgres and Mongo, right? So I can ask the doubts on the Azure SQL also.
Oh yes, sir. Anything. So dedicatedly, we'll tell to Sai to work with 1 week to prepare the POCs, to prepare the documents. Definitely, sir. Yeah. See,
Yeah, because
ultimately, you need to gain the knowledge. I need to gain the knowledge. That's it. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. See, ultimately, we need to both be profitable, sir. Not in terms of money, in terms of knowledge. Okay. I think many people are having more than my experience. Okay. So I always trust everyone. So see, exchanging knowledge is not at all wrong. Only that one I believed so far, exchanging knowledge is not at all wrong. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, sir. I don't want to take more on today. Okay. So from next week, from Monday onwards, Monday to Friday only, sir. The content will be course content, Monday to Friday, because Saturday, Sunday I need at least some break. Why that break also means I need to prepare the documents, I need to prepare the repositories, scripts repositories. I need to get it ready for you. Okay, I am spending that time on Saturday, Sunday, not only for Postgres, MongoDB, for still SQL also we are preparing a lot. Okay, so you will get lots of material. You will get lots of repositories, scripts repositories. You no need to go to the Google and search. At least 70 to 75% to 80% you will get in our repository only. 25% you can go and ask ChatGPT, other stuff, sir. Okay, so I am spending that for Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we are having enough time. No worries. Don't think that how it will go, because once we start, we don't have any time waste. We will core technical part only will discuss. We won't do any time waste kind of stuff. General discussion, that one, this one. Technical only, sir. Okay, that 1 hour, 1.5 hour, technical discussion only. If we are discussing 2 hours, 2.5 hours itself, we are having this much time still. Okay, then that's what we are planning. Okay, so we don't want waste all that stuff. We'll strictly with the technical discussions. Yeah, over to you, sir. That's it from Subbu. Okay, anything you want to add, Sai? That's it. Over to everyone.
Yeah, it's open to questions. If any questions they have.
Yeah, nothing. Over to you guys. Okay.
Thank you very much, Sai and Subbu, for the efforts that you guys are making for all of us. I think we are I'm pretty much excited being part of this community, and looking forward to have a more meaningful sessions and knowledge sharing between all of us. Yeah,
definitely. And by Monday, your Azure Postgres, like we are having dedicated community for SQL, sir. Okay, like being the experienced people are working, right, they are facing issue, they will go to that community, they will post the things, and someone will respond us. Like same, we are going to create for Postgres and MongoDB as well. The people who are starting the journey in the Postgres and MongoDB, if you are having any errors or any issues, you can post that in that community. Definitely someone will respond to you. Okay. It's like a 24/7, 365 days. That is a live community for us. Yep. And one more good news. Okay. Maybe next month in the mid of August, we are going into the website portal level. Everything will move into the portal. Our own blogs, our own videos, our own restricted videos. There you will find the charts, charts and FAQs. Okay, you need to do the assignments. Everything we are planning. Mostly, being suddenly my father got expired. I don't want to do all this stuff in the span of these days. So next month everything will get complete as per the Indian standards. We need to follow something, right? So then after I will go for our own website. Okay, our own web, not my own website or Sai own website, sir. Our own website. So you can help me to enhance. Subbu, we can do better than this one. We can add this question so that students can gain some more knowledge. Everything, sir. We'll take your feedbacks. We'll make that as a very strong platform for all the technologies, whatever we are planning for AzureSQLChamp. Yep, this is our, okay, not mine, not Sai, sir. Always this is ours. Okay, if we treat that this is ours, definitely one day we will become strong in all technologies. Yep.
So, are you creating your own website?
Yes, sir. Yes, Annabelle. Yeah. Okay. So we already had a discussion with them. Okay, we are having a good plan. So because, for example, today a session is completed. In the below, we will provide the assignment. Okay, you need to complete the assignment. Definitely, you need to complete the assignment. Otherwise, you can't watch the next session. That is how we'll restrict. Okay, otherwise no one will do the assignment, right? So first you need to do assignment, then only go for next video. Complete that one, do the assignment, complete that one, do the assignment. Once you complete your assignment, watch your videos, then we will also provide the certificate from the AzureSQLChamp community. Like we are going for professionals, sir, but trust is very important. Okay, we don't want make commercial. Okay, because we need to look two people. One is experienced people, one is the people who are starting the journey, because they don't have that much budget and they don't afford that much. So we need to look into both categories people that will stand for AzureSQLChamp, sir. Okay, and we will also try to invite you people also, the people who are working on MySQL, people who are working Oracle. Okay, if you are interested to deliver, always AzureSQLChamp will help you in the background. Okay, everyone, good?
Yes, Subbu.
Yes, Subbu. Yes, fine.
Yes. Okay, that's it. Okay. Thank you everyone for believing AzureSQLChamp. Okay, not believing Sai, not believing Subbu. Believe AzureSQLChamp, sir. This is our community. Okay, so stay tuned. Touch back on Monday. We'll start the first session, because every session is so important. But first 1 or 2 sessions will go little slow, sir. Okay, because we need to grab the students. We need to stay back how Subbu is training, whether he's going for fast, whether he's going for slow. It's okay. The flow is okay. So 2 to 3 sessions we go little slowly. Then we'll start the actual training, sir. Okay. Yep.
Sir, are you
Thank you.
showing ticketing tool, sir?
Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you showing ticketing tool, like how we can
Oh yes,
take the
yes.
tickets.
Actually, I planned to present you, but present the whole batch, okay, to make the live session. But my bad. Okay. Yeah, you will get it, sir. ITL process. Yes. You will get the ITL process, sir. I will show you how to create the incidents, how to create the service request, how to create the change request, how many types of changes, everything we'll discuss. Yeah. But not part of this training. That is a separate, sir. Okay. I told you, right? Apart from live sessions, you will also get additional sessions. Okay. You also get additional sessions. There I will cover much more. Okay. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Every week we are promising to get the 2 sessions. It can be Postgres, it can be Mongo, it can be SQL. Okay. Oracle people, for SQL people, it will be advantage because you are also getting more on public sessions on SQL. Oracle people, maybe going forward, will also, if we start the Oracle training, then definitely you will also gain, sir. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Have a great weekend, sir. See you on Monday.
Thank you, Subbu. Thank you, Sai. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks,
everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.